Good morning, students. In your previous class, we are starting the chapter angles, right? In that chapter, we already learned the types of angles. Okay? Today I am going to teach you pairs of angle. Pairs of angle. Okay? Now, in pairs of angle, the first point is adjacent angle. Adjacent angle. Now, what is the meaning of adjacent angle? Two angles in a plane are said to be adjacent if they have a common vertex and common arm in between other two arms. Means what? Suppose this is an angle. Name of the angle is AOB. In this angle, there are common arm between them and the common vertex. Name is suppose C. That means here this is the angle AOC and BOC is another angle. Both two angle having common arm is OC and common vertex is at O. So these two angles are known as adjacent angle. Here you can say that angle AOC and angle BOC are adjacent angles. Right? Now next point. Linear pair. Linear pair. See, linear pair means what? If two lines intersect each other, then the sum of two adjacent angles so formed is equal to 180 degree and two adjacent angles are said to be linear pair of angles. Right? Now see this diagram. There are two lines which intersect at point O. Suppose name of the lines are AB and C and D. Okay. Now see, there are four angles are made. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now see, if a straight line, if I draw a single line over here, so see, here is an angle, here is also an angle, and this is the common arm in between them. So both two angles are also known as adjacent angle. But if in adjacent angle, if the sum of these adjacent angles are equal to 180 degree, both these angle 1 plus 2, angle 1 plus angle 2 equals to 180 degree. So these are known as linear pair. Angle 2 plus angle 3, which is also equals to 180 degree. Angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. And angle 4 plus angle 1, which is also 180 degree. That means two adjacent angle, when sum of two adjacent angle are equal to 180 degree, then these two angles are known as linear pair. Now, perpendicular lines. Now, next is perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines. Okay. Perpendicular lines means what? Two lines in a plane are said to be perpendicular to each other if the angle between them is a right angle. That is 90 degree. We know that right angle means 90 degree. That means if two lines are perpendicular to each other, when it is called perpendicular each other, when they make an angle between them is right angle, or you can say that 90 degree. So this is known as what? This is known as perpendicular lines. Means suppose AB is a line and CD is a line. This CD when intersect the line AB makes an angle 90 degree. So you can say that CD AB is perpendicular on CD or vice versa. CD is perpendicular on AB. Okay. And one more thing, you notice that angle BOC and angle COA both are also, you can say that, adjacent angle. But if you plus both the angles are 90 degree, if you plus sum of this angle which is also 180 degree, then you can say that BOC and COA are linear pair, right? Similar, this side is also. Okay, so it is known as perpendicular lines because it makes the angle 90 degree, or you can say that right angle. Now, vertically opposite angle. Next is vertically opposite angle. Next is vertically opposite angles. Okay. Vertically opposite angles means what? When two lines cut each other at a point, then two sets of opposite angles are formed. Each of the two sets of opposite angles are called vertically opposite angle. Now, see this diagram. This is two lines. Name of the line is suppose AB and CD. They makes two opposite sets of angle. Here this is the opposite angle and this one is also opposite angle, right? So two sets of opposite angles are known as vertically opposite angles. Suppose name of the angle is suppose A, B, C, D. So angle A is opposite to angle C and angle B is opposite angle D. So these are known as vertically opposite angle. Opposite angle. Suppose the A is, suppose this is A, it makes an angle 30 degree. So C is also be 30 degree. It makes 60 degree. So this is also be 60 degree, right? So vertically opposite angle, I think you understand what is meaning of vertically opposite angle. When two lines cut each other, then two set of opposite angles are formed. Each set means one opposite set is A and C and another opposite set is B and D. So each sets are known as vertically opposite angle. Now, next is complementary angles. Next is complementary angle. Complementary angles. Right? What is that? When two angles are called complementary angles if their sum is 90 degree. Suppose this is an angle. These both are, you know that, adjacent angle, you can say that. So, if you sum up this angle and this angle, you get 90 degree, then you can say that it's a complementary angle. Suppose the value of this angle is 35 degree and this is 55 degree. Name of the angle is suppose A, B, C and D. That means angle ABC plus angle CBD, which is equals to 35 degree plus 55 degree. That means 90 degree. So you can say that this and this are complementary angle. This is known as complementary angles. Suppose you can say that one more diagram, you can say that suppose this is a right angle triangle. We know that this is 90 degree. Okay. And this is suppose 40 degree. So what is the value of this angle? So how you find it? A, B and C. You know that sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Sum of three angles. How many angles of a triangle? 3. Suppose angle A, CBA. Okay. CBA, which is given 90 degree. Okay, because it said that it is a right angle triangle. Angle BAC. Angle BAC, which is given 40 degree. You have to find angle ACB or BCA. ACB you have to find. Now you know that sum of three angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Right? So put the value of this is 90 degree. This is 40 degree. And this one you have to find out. So this is 180 degree. Now plus together, what is the value of 90 plus 40 is 130 degree. Right? 130 degree plus angle ACB equals to 180 degree. So next step, angle ACB equals to 180 degree. Side change, so minus 130 degree. So value is 50 degree. That means this angle will be what? Value is 50 degree. Okay. Now, next is, so 40 degree and 50 degree both are known as complementary angle, because sum of two angles 40 and 50 you get 90. So this is known as complementary angle. Now next is supplementary angle. Next is supplementary angle. Supplementary angles. Okay. Supplementary angle means what? If two angles are said to be supplementary angles, if their sum is 180 degree and each of them is called supplement of each other. Means in previous what we understood, when two angles are, the sum of two angles is 90 degree, then it is known as complement of each other. Here the sum of two angles is 180 degree, and you can say that supplementary angle or supplement of each other. This is the angle, suppose. Name of the angle, suppose A, O, B and C. So this is an angle, this is an angle. So angle AOB plus angle BOC, if you get 180 degree, then you can say that AOB and angle BOC are supplement of each other. Okay. Supplementary or complementary doesn't mean so they are equal angle. The sum of their angle is 180 degree in case, so it is known as supplementary angle. If sum of the angle is 90 degree, then you can say that it's a complementary angle. Got it? Now next class we do some example sums and also start how what is transversal of two lines and different exterior, interior and different angles we have to learn in. Before that, you should be write down all the definition along with the diagram in your geometry copy. Thank you.